Someone's written here, nowadays having crypto in hands that helps in paying compensations. Why companies still limit themselves? Strict rules of hiring within the UK or within UK when they can hire around the world, because it's up to them. Why do they stick with it? It's because it's what they know. I imagine a British software company will their preference will be somebody who is based in the UK who can jump on a train or drive an hour and be in the office should there need to be a meeting. Yes, you can still do the same job anywhere in the world, but remember, remote working was forced upon people in 2020 with the COVID. So with that, people had to look and work remotely. And as people have either become accustomed to it or they've become fatigued with it, and we're seeing more and more people going back to sort of office-based working. I think the point was like, what about with crypto? You can pay internationally. It doesn't mean about compensation. Again, it's like if a company is set up and all their banking is based in one currency, they're not then going to transfer money into crypto to pay an engineer somewhere else. It's just not going to happen. No matter how much value there is, it's still not a person who can get to the office within an hour or two, should they need to be.